I'm so excited. We at CRAFTEX now have crepe paper. I don't know if you're familiar with, Houston does not really have much crepe paper. We have crepe paper streamers, not here, but stores do. Or they might have a 12 by 12 sheet, but we have rolls of it. So I'm gonna explain it to you. Come over here. These are imported from Italy. Yay. And I'm not gonna try to pronounce it, this company, because I don't speak Italian. But we have 180 grain, which is like this. It's very thick. It stretches really far. And this is one of the metallics. They sell for $5.95 a roll, or if you buy 5 or more of the same color, they're $24.75. So in the metallics, we have this platinum, we have red over here, and we have green in the metallics. Loving this. Now 180 grain in the regular, I just want to show y'all how far this stretches. I mean, it's thick. Like, you would not believe how thick it is. Listen to this. It's amazing. And I've got a flower that I'm going to show y'all in a minute. And then we have 90 grain, which, let me back up for a second. The 180 is 8.2 feet long, and the 90 is 5 feet long. So I'm not real sure why that is, but that's how we got it. And it's $2.95 a roll, or 10 or more of the same color for $25. So let me show you the difference in that one, which is this one. It's a little thinner. It's not as stiff, but it still has a lot of stretch to it. You can hear the thickness, but it's a little thinner. Like, you can see my fingers through here. Can you see my nails? Got my nails done last night. Anyway, this is the 90, okay? Loving it. Then we have 40 grain, which is kind of like what they use for piñatas. For a lot of teachers use them on their backboards. Things like that. I mean, there's so many uses for this. Some people wrap gifts in it, and that is a little over 8 feet long. They're all 20 inches wide, but a little over 8 feet long for this one. $1.95 a roll, or 10 or more, same color, $15. I have not seen, I think there's 1 or 2 stores in Houston that might have 1 or 2 colors of rolls, but it's like the really long, big long rolls. These are more manageable, and it's also bigger than the ones you can get like at that store. Let me just stop there. Okay, so the 40 grain is thinner. It's closer to tissue paper, I guess. You can see how you can kind of hear. It doesn't have as much stretch, but it does have some. I feel like I have to use more girl fingers on this one. Like, see, it has a little bit of stretch, but look at that. Like, if you were gonna make flowers with that, look how beautiful. It keeps that edge. However you manipulate it, it stays. So, we have so many, we have over 100 different colors, types. So if you look here, we have some here, and we have some that are a couple of different ones that are like this, darker, lighter. So when you're making something, like if you're making a flower, you can make the center darker or lighter, depending on what you're trying to do. So I love these. They call them shaded. They're shady. So we have these, and then down here, it looks like a rainbow. Look how great this is. All of these are different sizes. Here's another shady one. And then there's one back there. But so many colors, so many kinds. And then sneak peek. This is a sneak peek of one going in Christmas that I made. And this is one that I made that's large, and then there's one that's already over there that's extra large. So I'm working on those. You can hear and see, like when you give it a good stretch, it creates this nice ruffle. Look how pretty that is. I put wire in it so that I can shape it. Look at these leaves with the green. I'm loving this. I cannot wait for people to come in, buy some, and then show me their projects. I love seeing y'all's projects. They're amazing. So this is very exciting for us. So come in, visit us, take a look. I'll answer your questions, make suggestions if you need it. If not, you know what you're doing. Maybe you could share some secrets with me. Come in and see us at CRAFTEX.